Alright guys, so here we go. Rubik's Cube in a plastic bag challenge. I'm just going to see how fast I can solve this. I got the scramble right here for you, or you can go back earlier in the video if that's hard to read. Got 2 cameras. Hey, I see you. And hopefully I'm going to get a good solve. I haven't tried this yet. You can race me, feel free to. Ready, set, go. I should have probably taken out some of the air from this bag. It's making it hard to hold. Surprisingly, I can actually do some finger tricks. No, this isn't too bad. I wouldn't be surprised if this were a new WCA event. Oh boy, if I get a pop in here, that's gonna be bad. This bag's probably super loud, I'm sorry. Nothing I can do about it. Why does this always happen to me? Whenever I try to make a video like this, the timer that I have never starts, or I like forget to start it. Okay, well I didn't start the timer. I'll put the time on the screen. This is just here to look nice. Anyway, that's my time. Let me know how you did in the comments, and also if you have any suggestions for my next video, feel free to suggest that. For now though, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.